real kitchen doesn't just teach patience, it demands precision. This is the Hubs of Excellence, the culinary edition within the Department of Hospitality and Tourism at Chandigarh University.
यहाँ प्रैक्टिस मतलब प्रैक्टिस होता है. There is no trial class feeling.
These kitchens, they are exactly like the industry ones. So when we step out, nothing feels new.
Pressure तो होता है, but that's the point, right?
Industry-grade equipment, global culinary standards, and hands-on training from day one.
When we see these students who have never been to their home kitchens, and today they are getting trained here in a professional setup, in a professional kitchen, with the people who have worked in the industry, with the leading brands of the hotels, national and international, and getting trained, getting skills, getting knowledge, getting them industry ready so that they can go out there in the industry and conquer the world.
This is where careers are cooked to perfection.
This hub doesn't just teach cooking, it shapes professionals for global hospitality industry. और यहाँ कोई बहाना नहीं चलता until you see yourself as a chef, not as a student.